In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy brokered CDs in Vanguard step by step. Why would you want to buy brokered CDs? Because they offer a much higher rate compared to your banks. I'm talking about, for example, being able to buy a 3-month CD, brokered CD in Vanguard that will still have a higher rate compared to a 1-year CD at your local bank. So here we go. Once you log into your Vanguard account, click on My Accounts at the upper left. And then under Transactions here, click on Buy and Sell. And in the next page, you will want to scroll down and click on Buy Brokered CDs. After you click on Buy Brokered CDs, you'll need to select on the account, specific Vanguard account that you'll want to buy brokered CDs in. And then it'll take you to this page. Once you select Continue, we will now be able to buy a brokered CD in Vanguard in terms of the terms that we want to buy. Notice that all of these rates are much higher than what your local bank will offer. Currently, as of this moment, a 1-year CD in Capital One or Ally and other high-yield banks will offer 4.15%. So let's say we want to buy a 6-month CD here. So I'm going to click on 4 to 6 months, giving us currently 4.5%. I'm going to click on Continue. Notice here that all of the CDs in Vanguard are insured up to $250K per bank per person. So you won't need to worry about that. The other thing that you want to look for is you don't want to buy a CD that says callable. Because if it's callable, then JP Morgan, in this example, can get the CD back from you even before it matures, and you're not going to get the full interest that you thought you would. So any of these banks here are not callable, and I'm just going to choose the highest rate here, and since I know it's FDIC insured, I feel confident in that. So this is 6 months. I will click on Continue. And then you'll need to input how much you want to buy. So Vanguard is $1,000 in chunks. So let's say you want to buy $10,000. Type that in, click on Continue. And again, it's just telling you that all CDs are FDIC insured. And you can click on Submit CD Purchase. One last thing, you want to make sure that you fund your specific Vanguard account first before doing this. If you have another account in Fidelity and want to buy brokered CDs in Fidelity, check out our video on that.